Fixing the American Express gift card not working is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Make sure there are enough funds available on the gift card to cover your purchase. You can usually check the balance online or by calling the customer service number on the back of the card. Ensure that the gift card has been activated. Most American Express gift cards need to be activated before they can be used. If you haven't activated the card yet, follow the instructions that came with the card to do so. Confirm that the gift card has not expired. Some gift cards have an expiration date printed on them. If your card has expired, you may need to contact American Express customer service to see if they can reissue a new card or extend the expiration date. Certain American Express gift cards may be restricted for use in certain types of transactions, such as online purchases or in-store purchases. Check the terms and conditions that came with the card to see where it can be used. If you're trying to use the gift card online and it's not working, try using it for an in-store purchase instead. Similarly, if it's not working in-store, try using it for an online purchase. This can help determine if the issue is with the card itself or with the specific merchant's payment system. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact American Express customer service for assistance. They may be able to provide further troubleshooting steps or issue a replacement card if necessary. If you're unable to resolve the issue and need to contact customer service, be sure to have your gift card number, purchase receipt, and any other relevant documentation on hand to assist with the process.